don't know when it happened. I've chosen you, I don't know when it happens. Changed my life to a love song. This love is so strong. You've chosen me, know that I've chosen you. Oh, oh, my love, let it happen. Changing my life to a love song. Changed my life to a love song. This road is so long. I'm a runaway train going off the rails. My love is so strong. I don't know you've chosen me, oh my, pass my way, if it happens. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Soul Fingers again with you with a request I've had from one of my Italian viewers, and it's a song called, in English, You've Chosen Me. I can't pronounce the Italian pronunciation, but it's by an Italian gentleman called Zucchero. Okay, and there is an English translation of the song which I have tried to replicate. Okay, so I'm playing it in the same key as Zucchero, okay, which is the key of F, and to get the right sound on the guitar, I've put a capo, fret 5. Okay, fret 5 for the capo. Okay, and the introduction is played on the piano. In fact, it's really a piano song. Okay, it's mainly played on the piano and an orchestra, so this is not going to sound quite the same. But anyway, so here we go. C. Okay. So this is my attempt to play the introduction. Okay, so C chord, and then open top E string, first fret top E string, third fret top E string, and then up to here, 7 I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 8, sorry, 8, from the capo, 8th fret from the capo. Okay, so okay, and then we play this rather unusual chord. It's a C7, okay, which most people, but to get the right bass note in the song, it needs to be played like this. Okay, so first finger, first fret of the A string, the 5th string, second finger, first fret of the 2nd string, the B string, and my third finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string. Okay, that's a form of C7. Okay, so it's B flat in the bass. Okay, and then we do this chord, C7, same riff. Okay, then we play an F chord with A string, 5th string open. Okay, and then play that again. Okay, so the first bit of the intro is okay, and then we go first fret top E string, open top E string, first fret, open, right, second string first fret, right. Then we play the C chord again, then that again, second chord C7, F, and then start of the song into the verse. Okay, so let's do the whole intro. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, let's do it again. Here we go. You've chosen me, oh no, when it happened. Okay, right, the verse, okay. C, you've chosen me, C7. That one you played in the intro, okay, so, okay. Then F, like you played it in the intro with the open A string. And then we play an F minor sixth, okay? Barring the first three strings, first finger, open fourth string. Okay? You can play it like this, but it's very difficult. If you want to, have a go. Fourth fret, bottom E string. It's very, very difficult to get all the strings to sound properly. So that's a nice, easy way. Sounds quite good. Okay. So hold on. Here we go. Beginning of the verse. Okay. You've chosen me. Oh no. When it happens, just repeat everything again. I've chosen you. I don't know. Oh, sorry. No. When it happens, changes my life to a love song. Back to the C. Okay. Then we have a rundown from C to A minor. Third on the fifth, strum. Second on the fifth, strum, A minor. Fifth string open, strum. Okay. Right. Got that? So from the beginning, let's do it all the way to that point from the beginning. Okay, here we go. You've chosen me, oh no, when it happens, I've chosen you, I don't know, when it happens, changed my life to a love song. Right, now we go A minor. This love is so strong. Right, E7. E chord, third finger off, open fourth string. Okay, just the two fingers, second on the fifth and first on the third. Okay. This love is so strong. G. You've chosen F. Me. now that B flat, G, B flat, G. That's first bar chord, first fret bar, and then barring the third fret of the fourth, third and second strings, or three fingers, G. Okay, so that intro comes out. This love is so strong, you've chosen me, now that back to the verse. I've chosen you, oh my love, let it happen, changing my life to a love song. Okay, next verse, yeah? So let's just go through that bit again, where it goes changes here. So, changing my life to a love song. This is from the end of the first verse, okay? Sorry. Changing my life to a love song. This love is so strong, you've chosen me, now that I've chosen you, oh my love, let it happen. Okay, and then it goes an instrumental verse, okay? So I've chosen you. So this is the second verse, okay? Let it happen, change my life to a love song. Instrumental. Change my life to a love song. This road is so long, I'm a runaway train going off the rails. My love is so strong, I don't know why. If you, okay, and then we're going into the last verse after that. So let's go from the second verse. I've chosen you, oh my love, let it happen, change my life to a love song. Change my life to a love song. This road is so long, I'm a runaway train going off the rails. My love is so strong, I don't know why. Alright, so let's try and break this down for you, okay? So when you're coming at chosen you, C7, F, D minor, F minor 6, changing my life to a C, love song, instrumental bit, same chord, C7, F, F minor 6, changing my life to a C, run down, love song, A minor, run down. This road is E7, so long, G, I'm running away, F train, going off the rails, A minor, love is E7, so strong, F, I don't know why, D7, if you, to C, and it stops, okay? So that's, my love is so strong, I don't know why, if you, okay, got that, stops there, and then it comes back on the final verse. You've chosen C7, C to C7, I'll pass my F way, if it happens, finish on a C, and that's it. that's the whole song. Okay? So let's try and go through the whole thing again, shall we? It's a bit difficult to show you this in. I can't sing it in Italian, so it's a bit tricky, but never mind. So here we go. You've chosen me, oh no, when it happened, I've chosen you, I don't know, when it happened, changed my life to a love song. This love is so strong. Chosen me, now that I've chosen you, oh my love, let it happen, change my life for a love song. Change my life to a love song. This road is so long. I'm a runaway train going off the rails. My love is so strong. I don't know why. You've chosen me, I pass my way if it happens. Okay, got that? Right, that bit on that last verse, on the second time it goes, my love is so strong, F, I don't know, D7, why? With F sharp in the bass, D7, thumb, second fret, bottom E string if you can do it, or just D7, but thumb over if you can. C, stop if that goes on you. So my love is so strong, I don't know why. If it happens, okay, that sort of thing. Well, there you have it. That's the best I can do on that. Thanks very much for watching this thing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.